Hello, my name is Steven Lopez. Today I want to talk about Comuna 13, a famous tourist place in Medellin, Colombia. Comuna 13 is in Medellin, Antioquia. It is one of the most popular tourist places in the city. Eh, Comuna 13 is colorful and artistic. The walls had beautiful graffiti. It is safer than before. The, the graffiti is the most important attraction. It tells story about the past and the transformation of the commune. This place makes me feel proud and happy. Chose Comuna 13 because it represents change and hope. Thank you, thank you for attention.